Welcome to the channel. I'm Tony the Technician. Today we're going to be going into some of the Tekton items that you're not going to be able to find here soon. They are becoming more and more scarce. So I just wanted to make a video real quickly just in case these are what you wanted over what they have now. So if you guys didn't know, a little while back, Tekton switched from their USA made screwdrivers to their German made screwdrivers. These are their new screwdrivers. They also have these available in insulated and lots of different sets made by Witt. Fantastic screwdrivers. It is kind of their lower tier. Witt does make a lot of different ones, like this one from Matco. It has like the felt on it. They have multiple different designs. This is the one that Tekton decided to go with. The red is rubberized and the black portion is just the plastic, so it is dual material. But I want to quickly go over their USA made screwdrivers. So many years ago, they released the high torque trilob screwdriver. I first saw these, I believe, in Meyer, and I thought they were probably the weirdest screwdriver that I had seen, but they were extremely affordable and made in the USA, so I was super intrigued by them. And I had already bought a bunch of Tekton stuff prior to that, so I figured, why not give them a shot? And they're actually, for me, personal preference, extremely comfortable. Now, I understand it's not going to be for everybody. Not everybody likes a trilobe design, especially with kind of this squish design. It's meant to kind of be molded to the shape of your hand. Some people just don't find it comfortable. I hear a lot from people with arthritis that they are very helpful. But for me personally, I think they're extremely comfortable, and you can get, just like the name states, a lot of torque with them, being the high torque screwdriver and the very aggressive trilobe design. It is also a dual material. They are marked at the top and the top alone. So that's the Phillips head number 2. And then when they were first released, they were only available in a black oxide blade. They do have both designs that we're going to go over available in the black oxide and chrome. Well, they did. Now they don't make them anymore. But I have the black oxide for the high torque, and the tips have held up well for me. Automotive field, it's just fine. A lot of light duty stuff, trim panels, wheel well liners, things like that, tail lights. Now, if you're in a profession where you use screwdrivers on a regular basis and heavy duty use, I have heard some mention that the tips can wear out fairly quickly. But overall, for the price of a USA made screwdriver, I really like both designs that they came out with, but that is a look at the trilobe high torque. And then they came out, I don't know if it was a year or two later, maybe, I don't know, this was a while ago, so I can't remember exactly. They came out with their 4-sided hard handle, kind of classic 4-sided hard handle design, which I knew I already wanted. And I got this set in the chrome blade. It's still got the black oxide tip, but a nice chrome blade on it. And these have held up really well. I used these at work for, I don't know, in my work truck for the last 4 or 5 years, and they've done fantastic. Once again, kind of lighter duty use, but the tips have held up well. The handles are extremely durable. I've dropped them on pavement, been just fine. Once again, size markings on the top, just like the trilobe. The chrome has held up well. With these screwdrivers, you didn't get any fancy like hex bolster or pass-through hole or anything like that. Just a good classic design. Couple different designs for those that prefer something more classic or a hard style, or a trilobe for those that may prefer that. So I like that they had 2 different sets or 2 different handle shapes available for personal preference. I really like that, and both being made in the USA was a huge plus. And I can't remember when they first released the chrome. I can't remember if it was a couple dollars more for the chrome plated ones. The black oxide ones were typically a little bit cheaper, and as long as you oiled them, you know, depending on where you work with the tools, I did mine maybe once a year, and they were just fine. Now, if you work out in the environment all the time, you may want to oil them more or go with the chrome blade, but overall, I've been super happy with these. They also had stubby, obviously, full sets of both of these, tons and tons of different size sets. I really like the stubbies. I use stubby screwdrivers a lot. They're my go-to. The closer I can get to something and work on it, the better. The only time I use something longer is when I need the added length. They also have their multi-bits. These are made in the USA, made in Taiwan, and they give a lot of information on the website. Now, unfortunately, since they discontinued these, I don't think you're going to find a bunch of information on these, but anything Tekton sells, they always provide a lot of information with. These are still going to be available, or as of right now, are still available. You can get, real quickly, with the trilob design, you can get the scratch all, like what you see here, available in the trilob. You can get their nut drivers, Torx, or you could get their nut drivers, Torx, and Allens in the trilob. As far as the four-sided hard handle, you could get the, I believe you can get the scratch all, the multi-bit screwdrivers, the pocket pry bars, the hooks and picks, the probes. So they have quite a variety of different items. Now, like I was saying, the main screwdrivers are being discontinued, or are discontinued, I should say. You may still be able to find some in the outlet store, and you may still be able to find some on places like Amazon and other places that may sell Tekton. But as far as the main website, you're not going to find any of the sets. And the more time goes on, the harder it is going to be able to get these sets if you prefer them over their new stuff. Now, Tekton has one of the best warranties on the market when it comes to tools, especially just being online sales now. They used to be in Myers, they're not there anymore. You may be able to find a few Tekton tools here and there in random stores, but it's not typically a large amount or their whole lineup. So they're primarily sold online, and their warranty is better than most of those in stores. So unfortunately, if you do damage or break one of the screwdrivers, you will most likely be receiving the German-made screwdriver as a replacement. Maybe if they still have some old stock, you may get a replacement. I'm not 100% sure on that, but they do still have their multi-bit screwdrivers. They still have their scratch-alls, their hooks and picks and pry bars, all available still in the four-sided hard handle. And the great thing about it was they're all super affordable, made in the USA, and I really enjoyed them. So I just wanted to real quickly share them with you guys before it's too late and you can't get them anymore. But if you guys already picked up some of these with this design, let me know your guys' thoughts. Or if you just decided to go with the new German ones. Either way, really solid options, both very affordable and well-made tools. So once again, let me know your guys' thoughts. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to smash that thumbs up. And if you guys haven't subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.